Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel and another video in the suite of videos covering how to complete various master records for P.D.I. pre-delivery inspection purposes. There are lots and lots of P.D.I. sites around New Zealand, and NZTA, New Zealand Transport Authority, require you as a site to keep up-to-date records covering certain aspects, equipment, staff, whatever, training, that kind of thing. This particular video covers what the delegation record is all about. Very simple form to fill out, and for many P.D.I. sites, not needed. However, it may well be that if your P.D.I. inspector out in the workshop is the same guy, the same person that enters the P.D.I. onto the land transport portal, no delegation required, right? Job done. Easy. Same guy does the inspection as the person putting it in the portal. Don't need this document. In my opinion, doesn't need to be filled out. However, for some of the bigger P.D.I. sites, we may have a number of P.D.I. inspectors in the workshop, all doing the work on the vehicles. P.D.I. is done. They sign off the P.D.I. check sheet, and that then gets sent up to the admin department where D works, our fictitious admin lady, and D would then log in to the NZTA portal, the VIC portal as it's known at the moment, and use the authority number or code that for each relevant inspector, the one that did that particular inspection, and she would enter it onto the portal. So therefore, the logging aspect on the portal has been delegated by the inspector to D. So let's fill out this form with that in mind. Here we go. Used.
You don't paint something without wiping.
Honestly. Okay, Master Records Delegation Record. Now, it says here, first of all, the person responsible for the delegations, that's the person that made the decision to allow this delegation to happen, or that it was necessary. So I'm going to put down there the dealer principal's name. We'll put down here Phil Irwin, dealer principal. And he's decided, through efficiency requirements, that D, and we'll call her D, I don't know, D Smith. Sorry, D. And D is responsible for the entry of P.D.I. records onto what they call the VIC. Now, it's just changed names recently, the VIC NZTA portal for all P.D.I. inspectors. So that covers all of the P.D.I. inspectors in the workshop. They would then pass their signed off P.D.I. check sheet. Once it's been signed by the service manager, it would go up to D, and then she would enter that P.D.I. onto the portal. And this delegation started, or should I say it's going to start, because we're going to do it in the new year. It will start on the 1st of January 2026. Always good to do things in advance rather than think, oh, we've been doing this for 6 months, we should document it, you know. Let's get our ducks in line now. Now, at some point, D may go for a different role in the business, or she might leave the business, and at which time we would then enter the end of delegation date in there. And then who knows, somebody might replace D and we'll put their name here, same thing here, and away we go. Now, I would like because of the importance of this particular document, I would like Phil Owen to sign down here. There's no government requirement for that to happen, but for me, I think it would just formalise the document, and I think there should be a signature down here authorising this to occur. But that's just my own personal feelings. Now, there may be more than one office lady in the admin side, so we might have 2 or 3 other staff members with the same delegation. If that's the case, just list them down here. Another possible aspect could be that of equipment maintenance, just again to document it, where we might have the service manager. So we could have, so we'll put down here admin under there, look. And then we might decide that the service manager, who is James Teacup, that's a made-up name, by the way, and he's the service manager. Well, he's responsible for all P.D.I. equipment inspections and maintenance. How easy is that? And he's going to start his delegation on the 1st of the 1st, 26 as well. Right. Hopefully that's given you an idea of how to fill out one of these Master Record Delegation Record forms. Okay, crew. Hopefully you found that informative and helpful. I know sometimes forms are it's just not obvious how you fill them out, and you can go down a bit of a rabbit hole and make a complete pig's ear of the whole thing, but spend loads of time wasted. And hopefully this video will help to avoid that from happening, because it's in all our interests to work efficiently and to record the right information at the right time. Now, don't forget, all of these documents are what we call live documents, and they need to be updated as and when required. Don't think that when you've done it once, it's done for the next year. It's not. Things can change on a daily basis, and those changes may require amendments or updates on some of these master records. For example, when Dee leaves, in February, you've got to put the new person down, and if she's not replaced immediately, then maybe the P.D.I. inspectors in the workshop need to start to enter their own P.D.Is on the VIC system. Who knows what's going to happen? Okay, now, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, why not click on subscribe, ring the bell, and that way our friends at YouTube will send you a notification as and when I upload any new videos. You'll also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Feel free to peruse those platforms. There's heaps of stuff about the Andy Mechanic channel on there. And my email address is andymechanic@live.co.uk. Now, if you want to support the channel, you can do that through Patreon, become a patron. There's different levels you can access on there, or you could jump onto PayPal and send some hard cash. All is much, gratefully received. It really is. It certainly helps with the workshop. But if you do send cash across, don't click the donation box, because I'm not a registered charity and never, ever will be. Don't meet the criteria. So you've got to send it through as a payment. Okay, crew, there's a few more of these videos, other forms to fill out, so there is a full suite of these short videos on how to fill out the Master Records, and watch out for the next one. See you next time. Cheers, over and out. And you get the flip up again.
Oh!
Really.